Do you ever wonder why quitting porn seems so difficult? Truth is, every addiction can be replaced with another. The time and energy you're spending on watching porn can be redirected towards activities that benefit your physical and mental health, like working out. If social media apps like Instagram or Facebook are causing you to relapse, uninstall them from your smartphone. Remember, your health is more important than social media. Are you still watching porn? Don't be miserable. You have so many opportunities at your young age, and you're wasting your life in front of a screen. Don't let porn ruin your life. Watching porn regularly has consequences on your brain. Your brain gets accustomed to visual stimulation. When you feel sexual desire, there are various types of stimulation that can cause excitement. Watching, touching, kissing, etc. However, when you watch porn, it's primarily visual stimulation that's engaged. In real-life sexual relationships, multiple types of stimulation are involved. If you watch a lot of porn, you might find yourself struggling in sexual relationships because you develop a reliance on visual stimulation without cultivating other forms of excitement. But that's not the focus of this message. Here are 7 ways to quit porn addiction, and by following them, you can quit for good. 1. Identify your triggers. Like any addiction, certain things trigger your desire to watch porn. These triggers can be images or even specific people. Once you identify them, try to avoid situations where you're exposed to these triggers. For example, if scrolling through social media and seeing attractive people makes you think of porn, stop using social media or uninstall the apps if necessary. If loneliness is a trigger, engage with others and form meaningful relationships. Avoiding your triggers is a crucial first step. 2. Stay occupied. If you want to quit porn, keep yourself busy with productive activities. Sitting at home all day makes it easy to fall back into the habit. Instead, get out of the house and do something like going to the gym. Having goals and a structured routine will keep you from seeking out unnecessary stimulation. A person without a purpose often distracts themselves with pleasure. So make sure you have important tasks to focus on to avoid engaging in this negative behavior. Keep yourself busy and chase your goals. Number 3. Develop mental fortitude. Strong mentality is essential to overcoming porn addiction. If you watch porn, it indicates a lack of mental resilience. Strengthening your mind often starts with improving your physical health. Physical and mental well-being are closely connected. To cultivate a resilient mindset, build a strong body through strength training, muscle building, and cardiovascular exercises. Additionally, learning self-defense can enhance your mental strength. Many people focus solely on gaining muscle, but understanding how to defend yourself is crucial. Consider joining a mixed martial arts (MMA) gym, as it provides practical fighting skills. Strength and fighting abilities together foster a robust mentality. Number 4. Reevaluate your friendships. This might be difficult, but if your friends watch porn, it's time to distance yourself from them. You are greatly influenced by the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you want to change your life, you need to surround yourself with disciplined individuals. Being around such people will either inspire you to improve or instill the discipline needed for change. If you don't feel self-conscious about your habits around your friends, you're less likely to change. Aim to be in a room where you're motivated to be the best version of yourself. Therefore, if you want to quit porn, ensure you're in a competitive and inspiring environment. 5. Become your best self. If you struggle with porn, it suggests you have unresolved issues within yourself. A man who is truly fulfilling his potential has no need or time for porn. If you were the man you aspire to be, you'd have fulfilling relationships and no interest in porn. Any man can transform himself. Focus on becoming the person you envision, and your desire for porn will diminish. Number 6. Cultivate discipline. Discipline is rare nowadays because it's not often taught or valued. We live in a world full of distractions, with constant demands on our attention. Modern technology and media make it difficult to stay focused. True discipline is the ability to maintain focus on a task for an extended period. Many people don't realize their lack of discipline until it negatively impacts their lives. As a man, discipline is crucial. Without it, life's challenges will eventually catch up to you. Discipline helps in overcoming addictions and achieving long-term goals. Number 7, control your mind. Most people allow their own minds to betray them. Listen, your mind is powerful. If you let yourself believe a weakening thought, that thought will become a reality. Do not underestimate the power of your mind and do not let it betray you. Instead, control your mind. When you start thinking about porn, say no and do some push-ups instead. The video is over now, but I want to know something. Let me know in the comments. Do you truly believe you can quit porn forever? Or have you been demoralized? If you want to improve by 1% every day, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, my friend.